My quiet life turned upside down when my next-door neighbor confronted me about my doorbell camera. She claimed it was invading her privacy by recording her front door. Hey, race the thing, my camera only captures my porch and a small portion of my driveway. It's positioned perfectly to protect my home and doesn't even point in her direction. She stormed over one morning, demanding I take it down immediately. I calmly explained the camera's purpose and showed her exactly what it records, but she wouldn't listen and threatened to report me to our homeowners association. I stood my ground, knowing I was well within my rights. The camera stays exactly where it is, protecting my property and giving me peace of mind. My neighbor didn't like that response. She's been giving me cold stares and making comments to other neighbors about invasion of privacy. Some neighbors have taken her side without even seeing the camera's view. I've documented everything and saved all recordings of our interactions. Just to be safe, home security shouldn't be compromised because of unfounded complaints.